So let me just walk you through. So guys, the first module that we'll be covering will be SEO module, and there will be one project. Then the next module that we'll be covering in this training program would be paid marketing. And there will be one project that will be related to paid marketing that you will have to complete. And the next module is social media. And in this social media module also, you will have to complete one project. So this is how we are going to go in this 2 weeks training program. The access to the tools will be provided to you whenever you need to complete the project. You will complete the project and submit it on the portal. And then after that, we will move on to the next module. So before starting the session, I just want you to know about the hiring details first. Okay, so let me just walk you through the hiring details, how it goes. So once you complete your training program, today you can submit. If you feel that your resume is ready for hiring and you want opportunities for interviews, for freelancing opportunities, or full-time opportunities, or any internships, then you can just share your resume with the team here. You can see the email ID here. You can just share your updated resume on this email ID. But please make sure that the resume that you are sharing has to be updated. It has to be relevant to the digital marketing. So that is important. So it is very important for you to actually update your resume and then share it with the team. We will start with the first module, that is the SEO module here. So in this SEO module, what we'll learn is, first we'll learn about the basics of SEO. So you know that there was a term called SEO before, search engine optimization. Now, but with the uprise of AI, there are two more terms that are being added. One is AEO, that is answer engine optimization, and the other one is GEO, that is generative engine optimization. But let's just first understand about search engines. Like you must have seen, you must have used different types of search engines. One of them being very popular, first is Google. The other search engines are Yahoo. Then we have Baidu search engine. Then we have one more search engine, Bing. And these are one of the most popular search engines. And apart from these search engines, we have others as well. But the maximum traffic, or you can see the maximum market share that we have, is for Google only. So it captures around 90% of the market share. So whatever websites and applications we'll optimize, those websites and applications will be optimized for Google only, right? So we are studying about the concepts of search engine optimization that will be for Google specifically, because as you can see that most of the market share and most of the users are present on Google only. So whenever you go to your browser, suppose you have visited your Chrome browser and then you type in Google, so you are being taken to the search box, right? So what you do in that search box is you type a query. So that is basically user's query, whatever you want to find out. Like, so when you type that query, you get some results, right? So you get results like AI overview, you get paid results or sponsored results, you get organic results. So all these kinds of results you get, right, whenever you type a search query. Like you have a type when you type a search query like best car dealers around me or best car dealers near me. So Google gives you all kinds of search results. These days, one more search result is being added, and that is AI. Then apart from that, you will see advertisements, then also organic search results. So basically what search engine optimization is, whenever you type any query, the website that you have optimized should come up at the top, right? So whenever you type any query in the search engine, the website should come up at the top. It should come up in the first page itself. So I'll show it to you, like for the better understanding. So you can see here, these are the queries that you can type in, like car insurance online quote. So you will get all kinds of search results here. You can see the AI overview here that you are getting. You can also see the organic results here. All these organic results you can see. If there is another query like best laptop under 70,000, you get AI overview again for this search query itself, right? What is the most relevant result? The Google will show it to you. Then again, you will get some organic results here. So these are the results you are getting. Apart to see the sponsored results here, whenever you type a query like this one, car insurance online quote, so you will get sponsored results, Policy Bazaar, Tata EIG. So all these are sponsored results. Basically, you can hide these results as well. Apart from that, there are organic results. But from the SEO perspective, what we want to focus. So let me just show you. So for the time being for this module, what we'll be focusing is only on the organic results. The AI results, this one, and the organic results. So this sponsored result is basically the part of paid marketing that will be covered in the next module, right? So these two are priorities for us. So let's understand what actually search engine optimization is. So search engine optimization is basically optimizing our website in such a way that the website comes on the first page with the top rankings, right? So if you have done the SEO of your website well, your website would come up on the first page. It would come up on the first page, and the rankings would be at the top, either on the first or second or third. So you can say that, okay, I have done the SEO of my website well. Now AEO is basically answer engine optimization. Whatever you have seen here, like this AI results, like AI overview you have seen, I have just shown you that whenever you type a query in the search engine, it basically gives you an AI overview as well. So if you are optimizing for that AI overview, that is basically answer engine optimization. Now GEO is basically generative engine optimization. So in generative engine optimization, you are optimizing for the AI tools. Now what AI tools? You can say you must have used ChatGPT. There are other tools as well, like Gemini. There are other tools as well, like Claude. So if you are optimizing your website in such a way that whenever the user types a query in these AI tools and your website's information is coming up, then it is basically generative engine optimization. Then it is answer engine optimization. And if someone is typing any query inside a tool like ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini, then that is called generative engine optimization. And your website's information is coming up basically. So if you go to ChatGPT and you type something like best digital marketing courses, and the website that comes up, something like BizBoost Digital Academy, and the website's information is coming up, that means that is achieved with the help of this generative engine optimization only. So what are the concepts that we need to apply? So there are a set of concepts, right? There are a set of concepts that you apply to your websites, and then that website comes at the top of the at the top of the page. So these concepts we'll be learning, right? And that is basically the application of SEO. So the core concept here is like what whatever we do, whatever concepts we apply, we want our website to come at the top. That is actually search engine optimization. In AEO also, we are trying to get our website in the AI overview. In GEO also, we are trying our best to apply concepts on our website so that it comes against any query, it comes into the AI tools as well. So now the question is like, where are these concepts coming from? You can ask like, where are these concepts are coming from? So these are the concepts that are basically coming from these Google algorithms, right? These concepts are coming from Google algorithms. And also there are these concepts are research based, hit and trial methods. So Google releases algorithms, updates their algorithms, and for the people who are not technical, you can assume these algorithms like there are set of instructions that Google gives to its partner websites. Like these are the set of rules that you need to follow so that your website comes into the search engine result pages. And accordingly, the website owners they make their website, and on the basis of those set of instructions only their website ranks. And if their website not ranks, so these all depends on these algorithms only. Like if you see closely here, like this is the first algorithm, you can see Panda update, and these algorithms get updated regularly. So for someone who is entering into the SEO industry, he needs to be updated all the time about these algorithms. So I'm just trying to make you understand like what this algorithm is saying here. So in Panda, the pages were given a quality parameter based on the ratings given by humans to the pages. Now, this is basically a trust signal, right? So in this algorithm, what this algorithm is basically saying is, if your website has good reviews and the people are talking about your website, then we will rank your website higher. We will rank your website on the first page. So this is what this algorithm is saying. Now, the result of this algorithm and the result of this trust signal is that all the website owners include reviews of their website or of their business on the outside pages, like in other websites or YouTube, or maybe on the social media pages, and on their website as well. So if Google finds out that there are reviews there are reviews about your business by other people, and the humans are talking about your website, so that generates a trust signal, and that trust signal is generated obviously based on this algorithm. So this is one of the concept. Like whenever you are making your website, make sure that you are using trust signals in your website, you are using reviews in your website, you are including social media pages where there are reviews. So all these things you need to apply. So you can just read about all these algorithms in detail in one of the resources that I've given. So whenever you go for your like, okay, there is one question, like people talk about website means sharing website to others. No, it's not sharing basically. So what this Google algorithm is saying that if Google finds about your website, like if someone is sharing a video, like if you have a business of flowers, right? You have a business of flowers, and somebody randomly makes a video on flower and posts it somewhere, and you mention this review video in your website, that means Google will find it out that people are talking about your website, right? People are talking about your flower business, people are talking about your brand name, whatever it can be, XYZ it can be. So people are talking about it. So somehow this Panda update or Panda algorithm finds out that okay, the people are talking about your brand. That means your brand has some trust signals. So now what happens is, if we talk about in detail, basically your website is given some authority based on that. Or you can say, I mean, I'm not going to concepts early on. So you can say just okay, your website gets some authority, and based on that authority, since your website is getting some kind of authority, the Google will actually rank your website higher. Okay, so this is one of the concept. If somebody has written a good review about your website somewhere on the web, Google will find it out. If if that review is actually included in your website and it leads to some pages. So suppose you have included this link where somebody is talking about your website on your website, right? I think I should explain this. Like suppose somebody is talking about your business on their social media pages, and somehow you have, maybe you can ask this person, okay, you have talked about our business, can we have the link, or can we use your video? Now you are just using that video on your website. So what, Google will find it out that okay, people are talking about your website, and this can happen in many ways. I'm just giving you one example. Like you can include it in your website, but this can happen in many ways, right? Google can find it out on other people's websites about your business or anything like that. So these trust signals basically give authority to your website, and once your website has the authority, your website ranks well in Google. So this is one of the concept, right? I hope you have understood now. All right. So you can just access this resource. If you can just, I'll also provide you this resource, or you can just explore more about these algorithms. So this is one of the assignments that you can do. You can just explore algorithms, because this is just a 2 weeks training program, right? I cannot go into much of the detail, but what you can do is you can just read about these algorithms in detail. So this can be one of your assignments. And all these assignments and lectures will be provided to you. I mean the recorded lectures will be provided to you, not immediately, but you can get it, all the resources and everything. This was one of the concepts. So based on these algorithms, we have multiple other concepts. So one of the concept that we do for SEO purposes is this one. And this is this concept, like unique content, relevant content, and keywords in your content, is basically deduced from one of the algorithms only. This is not something, somebody is making it up. It is basically tried and tested, and also based on one of the algorithms. Okay. So what happens is, whenever we are making any content on our website, suppose we are writing one of the blogs. Okay. So whenever we are writing one of the blogs, we need to make sure that our content is unique, relevant, and it includes the keywords. Now we have search query and we have keywords. So just know the difference between the search query and keywords. So you can see here, one of the search query that we will be seeing is, how is BizBoost Digital Academy digital marketing training? Now let's just move to the search engine and see what results we are getting here. So when the user is typing the search query, you can just take a look at the search query first. like how is BizBoost Digital Academy digital marketing training. So we are getting these results. We are getting an AI overview. We are getting some videos that is included in the organic results only. Then we are getting the homepage link here. Something is written on the Quora that is also coming up. Also the Trust Pilot is coming up. Then social media pages and one other student testimonial pages is coming up. This search query basically means is like this search query includes few keywords. You can see here digital marketing. This search query includes a keyword like BizBoost Digital Academy. This search query includes a keyword like BizBoost Digital Academy digital marketing. Or you can also say that this complete string or this complete search query is a keyword. Like how is BizBoost Digital Academy digital marketing training? This is a one keyword. Now, how this search query is converted to keywords? The search query is basically for the user, and the keywords are basically for the website owner, you can say, who is posting the content. So whatever keywords you are giving, like suppose we choose this keyword digital marketing, and we want that whenever a user types any query and this keyword is included like digital marketing, my website or my blog should come up. So you will include this keyword. You will include this keyword in your content. Similarly, if you have a keyword like BizBoost Digital Academy, you will include this keyword in your content. Apart from that, BizBoost Digital Academy training, or marketing. So you will just include those keywords in your content, and accordingly, your search result would come up. So whenever you are making content, make it unique and include keywords. So whenever we are actually selecting these keywords for our content, what should be the criteria? How we should basically select our keywords. So there are two concepts. I mean, there are many concepts that you will be seeing, but two major concepts are search volume. So search volume is basically how many people are searching on that keyword, how many people are going into the search engine, in the Google search engine, and typing that keyword, right? So suppose in a month, one keyword gets 1,000 volume. So that means 1,000 users are searching on that keyword. Suppose we have a keyword called digital marketing. So 1,000 users are searching with that keyword. This volume can be 2,000. This volume can be 20,000. So the more the volume, the more there is a possibility that the content would come up, right? And how is the competition? The second metric that you will be looking for is if the competition is high, obviously you are competing with other websites with the same keyword and content. So there are less chances of your website would come up, right? Because you are competing with the other websites. So what's the best way? Like see both of these metrics, search volume and competition, and accordingly accordingly select your keywords for the content, right? Now, one of the tasks that you'll be getting for this module is actually making a list of keywords. Okay, so I'll just take you to one of the tools. Okay guys, so I hope you can see the screen. So basically what you need to do in this project is you need to go here. Like once you open the tool, once you have access, once you open the tool, you need to go here in the tools section. In the tools section, you will be you will be selecting this keyword planner only. Now once you have the keyword planner with you, you need to click here, discover new keywords. I'll be providing you a few seed keywords so you can start with that. Like suppose if I write AI in digital marketing. So you will get a set of keywords here, like AI in digital marketing you are seeing. So this has got the monthly search volume of 1K to 10K. So these many users are actually searching for this keyword. The competition is also low. So what you need to do is you need to take that keyword, just copy it, and you need to take that keyword in your Excel sheet, because this assignment will help you to complete the project in the coming future. Okay, in the coming classes you will be using this assignment. So what you need to do is you need to take these keywords. So whatever content you are selecting for yourself, whatever seed keywords you are selecting for yourself, you just need to copy those keywords with the average monthly searches and the competition. And then you need to you need to take these keywords into an Excel sheet. That is the assignment that you will be having, the first assignment.